could function healthy. Now, how many of you have experienced backache? Now, your backache is regular or occasional? Abhi nahi hai. So you should celebrate it. Okay, anybody else? Occasional. Now, please be aware, when you have backache, go reverse and find out. Okay, you will get the reason. And then next time be aware. Follow. That thing should not happen. And if happen, then you welcome it, say thank you, right, and find out the solution. Okay. Now, how many of you have a stomach ache? Now, the stomach ache is very important. Understand stomach ache? It means there is something wrong which has gone inside. So there is a fighting is going on. So right? So understand. क्या किया था? So go reverse. Understand कि stomach ache मुझे 2 दिन पहले हुआ था, क्यों हुआ? उसके आगे मैंने क्या किया था? वड़ा पाव खाया था, right? या और कुछ खाया था, समोसा खाया था. How many of you are fond of samosa? Now please my request to you, samosa खाना होगा, then frozen chicken है, बताना पीस frozen पीस वाला समोसा कभी नहीं खाना. Please avoid, otherwise you will develop amoebas and your motion activity will increase. So if you eat samosa but not with that frozen one. ठीक है? हाँ. Okay. Now back pain problem is very common. Now mainly we get back pain because of a wrong posture, wrong walking habit, lot of jerk we get during our journey. Now if you do any journey, then immediately the moment you get out from your bus or travel and you feel that you have a lot of jerk, then twist your spine and make it correct. So twisting will help you in correction of the spinal problem. Now bad habit. Now what are the bad habits? Sitting cross-legged is bad habit. Now sitting like this also bad habit. Sit straight as much as you can. Right? That is a good habit. Now how many of you work on a computer? My request to all of you work on computer, don't work more than 45 minutes at a time. The moment you cross 45 minutes, look at distance for 3, 4, 5 minutes or do palming on your eyes. And if possible, sit straight. Right? And if you have net internet, then go on Google plant and see there are few plants which are suggested, which you can keep it near your computer to harness the computer rays, which will not give you trouble. And after your computer session is over, take a cold water and wash your eyes. So far BMC is not kind enough to give us the water at least a 15% cut. So we can continue. When there is a 100% cut, don't do this experiment. You can go on Google. Google. There are 25 plants which are recommended by NASA. Or you can call me, I'll give you. Right? Or you can call me, I'll give you. Google plants. NASA has recommended 25 plants, medical plants. And if you don't get, then you call me at I'll give you the name and the details. Okay, now, how many of you have nerve pain? Nerve pain. Now see, nerve pain indicates you some very important information that your body develops more toxins in the body. And toxins, there is a pain in the nerve. No. How many of you have experienced this side pain, right side pain on the face, right side pain on your entire body, any pain on the right side? When pain on the right side, understand that your liver is not functioning properly. So immediately you take 1 glass of honey with lime water. Continue maximum that, and better you go on fast. 30 hours fast. On fast day, you should not eat anything. No tea, no coffee, no fruits. Only are allowed to take honey and lime juice. Right. Because this will give cleansing effect, remove toxins. If you develop any edema, swelling आ रहा है आपको, नहीं जा रहा है, then this is a very good technique. Be on fast. Minimum 36 hours. 36 hours. But on that day, do your duty. Go and work. Fast किया तो I cannot travel. कैसे काम पे जाऊँ, सिर दर्द हो रहा है, then that is not a fast because you are all dimag in the fast. So forget that you are on fasting. You have eaten everything and work. Now, how many of you experience numbness? My God, all. You are Sachin Tendulkar. All prize मिलते हैं आपको. Now see, numbness, I'll suggest you a very simple technique. Take 2 buckets, hot water and cold water. ठीक है? उसके अंदर थोड़ा मस्टर्ड डाल दो और थोड़ा रॉक सॉल्ट डाल दो. Mustard, right, and rock salt, and put both the feet in that bucket. First warm, then cold. Again warm, again cold. Cold, warm like this. When both the water become equal temperature, then take a Turkish towel and rub the numb area rigorously. This will improve your circulation. It's a very simple technique. But if you don't feel better, then you come to my clinic. Because see, mustard and salt, why? Mustard will improve circulation and salt will remove the toxin and the negativity. Okay. Same thing you can do. Or the another thing, if you have a lot of numbness, then beat somebody. But not the family member. Huh? क्या हुआ? हेडेक हुआ क्या? He is worried about you. Now, awareness. Have we ever observed when we walk, along with our foot, our hand also move? Right? Not like military. But here, you have to maintain a ratio. Now, what is the ratio? Now, look at carefully when you walk. When your left feet, your right hand comes forward. Right? It is reverse. Now, when you walk, you have to give little attention to your hand that they move in a ratio with your speed, with your feet. Now, Mother Nature has information. That's why this is given to us. Have ever we thought that हमारे हाथ क्यों हिलते हैं चलते समय? नहीं सोचा ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तकलीफ होता है सोचने में. नहीं सोचना कभी. The simple answer is that prior to becoming a human body, we were also animal. ठीक है, जब भी हमारा ये हुआ, उत्थान हुआ, तो हमारा स्पाइन सीधा हो गया और हम आदमी बने. तो पुराने संस्कार तो हमारे दिमाग में अभी भी है ना. So we are still animal. So that's the reason that these are our 2 feet and these are also 2 feet. So this work like that. But remember that you have to move your hand. Now how? Now see, you walk a lot, but in the same ratio your hand doesn't move. Observe that, observe. And to make the correction of your ratio, move your hand. Move your hand. Right. Now another advantage that when you are moving your hand, the above part, above your umbilical, नाभि के ऊपर का हिस्सा भी हिलने लगता है. So all your chakras, they start rotating. And this is the area, up to this area is very important for human life. ठीक है, because your heart is here, pancreas, liver, spleen, all big organ, all DIG is here. So make them active. Okay? So please remember, correct, if your hands are not moving, make it correct. So now today when you go from here, right, all of you walk and see how your hand moves. Now see the distance. So your hand also move in the same distance. Right? That's why the military people, they are more fit than what we are. So see the distance, see the speed. Understand? Okay? Now, how many of you experience of sprain of ankle? Ankle में कभी sprain हुआ है? हुआ है? किसी ने धक्का नहीं मारा ना? Now see ankle sprain, a simple technique, understand? Now this is the sprain and you develop some pain over here on the left hand side. Then now see this is the pain, right? This is the pain, you experience pain on this side. Okay. Now just move your feet, move on the right hand side and see where you feel comfortable. Now change your awareness from left to right for few seconds, few moments, and your pain will subside. So this is known as awareness. Okay. Now we'll do some more things. Every moment, welcome madam, every moment you have to sense, you have to scan, you have to understand, analyze every moment. Then only you will understand this subject thoroughly well. So now we'll go on the very first technique, bending and breathing, right? We'll do all jointly. We'll do it jointly. Any objection who doesn't want to take? We'll do some practical. Sure? Then kindly keep your bag and books. There is no need to write anything. The best if you put in your mouth, then kindly sleep comfortably. It will go straight in your brain. Okay, sit comfortably.